Everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to delete your Instagram account. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram app on your mobile. Now go to your account. Now you will see these three lines on the top right side. Click on these three lines. Now click on your account center. Here you will see personal details. Open your personal details. Now click on account ownership and control. Here you will see this option that will say deactivation and deletion. So now choose your Instagram account, and here is the final step. If you want to deactivate your account, select deactivate, and if you want to delete your account, select delete, and just click on continue, and your account will be deleted from your Instagram. So that was the quick tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.